So how are your medical bills covered when your injury claim is pending? Well, there's a few different ways. If you have health insurance, then your health insurance can cover your medical bills. Now, obviously, if you choose to use your health insurance, you are limited to use medical providers who are actually covered by your health insurance. Keep in mind that any insurance benefits that your health insurance pays for your medical treatment, your insurance company is going to have a right of subrogation, which means they have a right to get reimbursed at the end of your case when we make a recovery for you. That's a legal right they have. Some people don't know about it. So if you use your health insurance, they will have a lien and a right to be reimbursed for whatever they've paid out at the end of your case out of your recovery. Second way that you can get medical treatment paid for if it's a car accident is pursuant to the PIP, personal injury protection benefits, or medical payment benefits of your own insurance policy. PIP, it's also known as no-fault insurance in Florida. Basically, whenever you get in a car crash, doesn't matter whose fault the crash was, your own car insurance is going to step up and pay 80% of your medical bills up to a limit of usually $10,000. If you have medical payment coverage in addition to that, that'll step in and pay the other 20% or even more than the initial PIP benefits. Usually after a car accident, if you do go through a course of conservative therapy, emergency room treatments, MRIs, the PIP benefits get exhausted pretty quickly. And then most of your medical treatment is transitioned to what's called a letter of protection. If you don't have health insurance, or you don't have car insurance, or if you just want to, a letter of protection is probably the single most common way that people's medical bills are paid or handled while they have an open injury claim. A letter of protection is simply an agreement that you sign, the doctor signs, and our office signs, saying that the doctor will provide whatever medical treatment you need, but once we make a recovery for you at the end of your case, we've got to settle up with the doctor for those bills at that time. In practice, what happens is we work with those doctors to try to negotiate those bills down as low as we can to your benefit. Those are the three most common ways that people get medical treatment after a car accident. If you have questions about your situation, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Certainly, the most important thing is that we get you to the right doctors as soon as possible so you can get the best care and the most medical information about your injuries. And at the same time, we can do our job in developing your case. So when it's time for us to fight for you at the end, we have all of the ammunition we need. And we also have a complete understanding of not only your condition now, but your prognosis and what your life's going to be like in the future. And that all comes through expert medical opinions. So don't feel that you don't have options if you don't have insurance. We'll still be able to help you. So call us at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO, or if you have any questions, you're welcome to chat with us through our website at trialpro.com.